In this video, we're going to demonstrate the new two inputs that are available on the 844C and the 746C, along with the 740C and the 741C. These are force open and force close dead man command functions. They allow the gates to open or close using a key switch with two momentary inputs in the event of a failure of the safety edges or the furnace cells, etc., to maintain security or to allow for the opening in an emergency. In order to use it, you first need to give one click in the direction you're planning to use it in. In this case, I'm going to go to the left, and then within 2.5 seconds, you then do the force command. So you click it once, and then again within 2.5 seconds, and then the gate will begin to close. This is a dead man function, so as soon as I release, the gate will stop dead. If I were to move in the opposite direction, I'll click it once in the opposite direction, and then again within 2.5 seconds. Then the gate will open instead on this particular case. And again, the moment you release the key switch, the gate will stop operating. The key switch has to be within visual sight of the gate, of the entire travel of the gate itself. It should be hardwired with 3 cores, one common and the two, one for opening, one for closing.